Field test steam boiler boiling water effect. Boil 850 kilograms of water in 15 minutes. A steam boiler with a gas output of 500 kilograms per hour. The fuel for our boilers today is these scraps of wood. The point is that the coal inlet of this stove is very large. Throwing firewood is very convenient, and the whole fire burned down. The smoke outlet is completely smoke-free. Finally, let's take a look at the front again. Look at a big bucket of water. It's steaming hot. The reverse burning steam boiler with a gas production capacity of 500 kilograms is too fierce.